right? Who are so scared of the big, ugly capitalist outside, right? Now call for more government to protect them against the big, ugly capitalist, despite the fact that it's the government that kicked you in the ass in the first place. We are seeing it right now. Look at this, Washington Examiner story. Consumer sentiment on housing falls to a record low as the Fed hikes rates. We are staring in the face of another monster recession, an economic crisis. We could fix tomorrow. They don't want to fix it. They love this. They got to keep you scared. And then when it happens, even though I warned you, you'll be, and those evil conservatives, they did this. It's time for more government. And the useful idiots like barking seals. Yeah, man. Idiots. Freaking idiots. It's true. Who do you think is causing this crisis now? Why do you think, quote, Washington Examiner, consumer sentiment on housing is at a record low rate? How is that? Joe Biden told you the economy's rocking and rolling. How is it? What, we're all stupid? Every consumer in America who believes that we're not in the greatest economy in human history, they're all idiots? So Joe Biden's a genius. The guy who can barely stop wetting his diaper is the genius out there. The guy who finished I finished at the top of my class with 3 degrees is the outstanding student. Joe Biden did not finish at the top of his class. Remember that? That guy, he's right and we're all wrong. You got this investor guy, Kiyosaki, saying that God have mercy on us all. I believe the economy's in the biggest bubble in world history. I don't disagree with him. I'm basing it on facts. We owe more money than any sovereign nation in the history of planet Earth has ever owed to people, and we don't have it. The tax base will never support this, ever. We owe $30 trillion. We take in about $4 trillion in taxes a year now. There is no mechanical means to pay that off whatsoever. None. So where's it going to come from? You. They're going to print money to pay it off, which is going to make the money and the assets you have now work less, i.e. the bubble's going to break. Period. End of story, baby. The good news is things will get worse. That doesn't sound like good news. You know, it is. Because it wasn't good enough news to get people to vote for a different type of politician in the midterm. Wasn't a catastrophic midterm. I acknowledge that in my debate with Jose on my weekend show. Wasn't a red wave. Only a fool would tell you that. In some states it was. But it wasn't a nationwide one. But it wasn't a bad day either. But it wasn't the red wave nationwide it should have been. Strong conservatives getting in office in a Thatcher Reagan-like revolution. Because it's just not bad enough yet. And it's not good news and it's going to be bad. It's horrible. But the good news is sometimes people have to be shaken and indulgent.